Welcome to EngTech Media, your gateway to engineering and technology. Subscribe now for more innovative content.
Alright, you are all welcome back. So in this class, we're going to be looking at how to create Google My Business. So Google My Business can help you to put your business in front of millions of people who are searching through Google. Alright, so it's very important. So if you have a business and your business is currently not on Google, you haven't started at all. So in this class, I'm going to be showing you how you can put your business on Google. It's very, very important. So first thing I need to do now, I'll just head over to my browser. So you can use your phone to do it. You can go to your browser on your phone, or if you have laptop, you can just head over to your laptop. So if you have browser on your phone, you can do the same thing. So I'll just go straight to my browser. Alright, so here I'm just going to search for Google My Business. You put Google My Business. You can see what I wrote, Google My Business. Over here you can see Google My Business. Now it said create a business profile. Listing your business on Google is free. Create your profile at no cost, and you can manage your business from Google. Alright, so it doesn't cost any money for you to create Google My Business. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Google Business. All you just need is just one of your Gmail accounts. So it said start out on Google with a free business plan. So I'm just going to come here and click on start now. Alright, it said get your business discovered on Google search, maps and more. Alright, Google search, and it can also show up on Google Map and more. They enter a few. Let me just zoom in so that you can see what we are talking about. Alright, so get your business discovered on Google search, also on Google Map and many other. Google have many other research method that you can use to get your business. Now enter a few business details below. This is your business name, so I'm just going to go ahead and fill in my business name. Alright, I will put in EngTech Media. EngTech Media. So I'll put in our business name, which is the brand that is controlling this class. This is the brand that is powering this class. Alright, so let me make this capital letter. Do this class very, very, very closely, and it is very important. Alright, you need to be on Google. So I'll just click on continue. Alright, it says choose your business type. Alright, so we have many options. We have online retail. Customers can purchase products through your website. Okay, we have local store. Customers can visit your business in person. Alright, we have service businesses. Your business make visits to customers. So you know what your business is all about. So you look at these three categories. You need to fit it into one. If you do your business online, you know fully whether you are going to take the first one, which is the online retail. Right? If your business is a local store whereby people come to buy from you, people want to visit you in person, is a local store, you know that you need to take the local store, which is the other one. Then if your business service, you are the one, you are doing home delivery. That's what it means for you to meet with them. It means you are doing home delivery service. So I'm going to click on the first one. Now mind you, all your business, you can have Google My Business for all your business. Alright, this is your website. We're just going to go ahead and put websites.engtech. Alright, so I'm going to put in our website. Add your online store. Next, is an enter a business category. Let me zoom it so you can see what we're talking about. Alright, it says enter a business category. Help customers discover your business by industry by adding a business category. Okay, let me just put marketing. but they don't have that. These are the options they have. So digital printer, digital printing service, all right, digital. Okay, let me put tech. Let me see what they have. Technical school. All right. Alright, so we have an option here. They said we have technical school. They said you can change and add later. Alright, so you don't have to do that now. You can change and add more later. So it doesn't matter. All you just need to set it up. So you can always come here and make edits. Now here you have to fill in your business address. Nigeria, streets. I'm going to put okay. Let's put in streets. Now all these details has already been on this system before. All right, the details have been on the system before. Add address, local government area. All right, states. Edo State. Next. Alright, so let's see what they have for us here. He said, is this your business? It looks like your business might already have a business profile on Google search or map. If you see your business below, select it and we will help improve your business profile. Okay, this is EduTech Park. Alright, EduTech Park. This is not our business. Not our business at all. We Technical Electronic Plaza, Edo State Information and Communication Technology Agency, Eric Tech Limited. These are companies that are currently on Google My Business. You can see Webbit Technology. I know these people. Webbit Technology. All right, I know these people. NIT. These are tech company. You can see they are all on Google. Your business is not there. Business is not on Google. So I will click on next. I'll click on none of these. So next. So they are trying to see if my business has already been there before. So over here it says let customer get in touch by including your phone number on your business. So just come here and add number. So I'm going to add the official NGTech number there. Next, so put your business on the map. So let me zoom that. So put your business on the map. Start connecting with your customers across Google in all one place. All right, all in one place. It's a get discovered by people in your area. Respond to reviews for your business. Manage your business details across Google. Get news and tips about how to improve your business profile. Get invitation to participate in occasional surveys. Alright, so these are they telling you what you are going to benefit. So you're going to click on that and hit continue. So I want to be getting notifications from Google, so that's why I hit that. So just wait for it to load. Alright, it says select a way to get verified. As you can see, we're already done creating our business. Alright, now they are talking about verification. How to get verified. Get a code via text or voice call. Alright, so I'm just going to hit on get a code. Get a verification code sent to your number. Google will send a verification code to this number. Standard rate apply. Alright, so I'm going to receive a test. So I'm going to click on next. There is option of call, but I prefer to receive a test from them. So my business is already there now. They just want to confirm it. All right. So if you can get to this part, you can, because I don't know when they are going to send these digits to me, if it's going to be now. So, but if you can get to this part, because we need to verify, our number needs to be verified before they will accept everything we have been doing here. So once they send us this code, this 6-digit code, when we receive it, all we're going to do is to enter the 6-digit code here. All right, so I haven't received the code. Okay, I think the code has arrived. So we have Alright, that is our code. I'm going to click on verify. You are now verified. You can apply. Alright, you can see, like I said before, once you have reached this part, you're already done. You can reply to reviews, turn on chat and more. You can see they have already accepted us. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on next. So in case there's any part you miss in this video, make sure that we are open. So this is the time. These are business hours. Let customer know when you are open for business. All right. So we are open 24/7. So we don't have a particular time we don't open. So all these things we are doing now, we're just setting up our account. Our account has already been on the Google My Business. It's already listed. This is just, we are just doing setup. Click on next. Well, it said please provide a valid time. Oh. Okay. So we're going to provide a valid time for this. On Sunday, we open by 6 a.m. 6 a.m. We close by 6 p.m. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill this up. So let me pause the video. I will just come back later. Alright, so we are done. So I have to pause the video so that I can fill up all this the time. So it's 6 a.m. close at 6 p.m. So let's hit on next. Alright, it has been accepted. Alright, over here they are asking for customize your profile. So I think we are done with this because this is just customization. Our business is already there. Alright, this is just customization. There's a place we'll get to. They will ask you to upload images, your logo, maybe some images that they can display in case people are searching for some keyword. There's some keyword you are going to add, and just step. You're already done creating our Google My Business profile. It said add business description. Let customers learn more about your business by adding a description to your business profile on search, map and other. So we're already done here. So I'm going to skip that. I will do that later. It's a add a storefront photo, and this is a storefront photo that they ask you to add. Alright, so I can skip that. If I skip this, I'm going to do it later. Okay, so if you know that you have your shop, you have an image of your shop, you can just go ahead. Let me just select something. Currently do not have any image here. Let me just use this particular image. So let's see if they will accept it. Alright, so I'm click on next. Add photos of your business. So I'm just going to come here and click on skip. So you should have photos of your business so that now here they are telling you to come and advertise. All right, to advertise your business. Hence, you have already put your business on Google My Business. Now the business we just added to Google, now this is the output of it. All right, if anybody search for technical school in Benin, it's going to pop out Tech Media. They start your career today. All right, call business line. So if you search for this particular thing now, if you go to your browser and search for this particular technical school in Benin, you are going to see Tech Media. Tech Media is going to come outside. All right, so this how is going to preview as an ad. So most of those search you search for things on Google and you see some company's website coming up. It is this Google My Business that you use in doing those things. All right, so you can make sure you have images to add up. You have logos, everything they ask for. You can see that we just keep most of those things. So because this is a tutorial purpose, we'll do that later if I want to do it. So but on your own case, what you need to do, you must add everything. All right, or in case you don't have it also, you can just go ahead and skip some of those things. And when you have all the image ready, because this image are image that people are going to be seeing online, these are things that people are going to be seeing, so you need to make sure that they're asking for to get a custom domain name for your website and a custom email address. This is to get your custom domain name, so I'm going to skip that. I'm not interested. Customize your profile. Like I said, we have already done with creating this thing. So customize your profile. This is how your profile will look like. This is how your profile will look like. The location, I'm sure that you have searched Google and you see things like this before. The image will be here. All right, the Google map will be here. The image of the company will be here. The locations will be all these things you are seeing. This call, everything will just be there. If you search Google, you will see what I'm talking about. All right, the call line and everything will be there. So your edits will be visible once you are verified. So it's going to take some few time before they verify us. So I'm just going to hit on continue. So you can always go to your Google My Business and do some edit. Maybe there are things that you want to change, you want to make changes. You can always go there and do that. So this is how you create your Google My Business, and this is going to be the output at the end of the day. So I will see you in my next class.